What's going on, guys? Jarrett here, and I got this product from the company to review for this video. And this wake up lamp is actually pretty nice. It has two different functions. One's a lamp that you can use on the desk or your bedside table. The other is a clock with some natural sounds and two alarm settings that you can choose on there. A nice bonus feature is that this also is a charger too for your phone. So all you have to do is just put it on there. It's wireless charge, and it will charge right up while you sleep. So that's really nice. The lamp itself is all touch. So you got 3 different touch settings that you can scroll through. And then all the controls to change the time and the volume are right here, right on top. It has a long power cord, which is really nice. So you can really put this anywhere that you would like. But right here, right on top, you can see you can change it from, you have a snooze button here to snooze your alarm. To change the time, you're just going to hold this down. Then you use the dial here to change the time on the clock, which is a lot quicker than most, where you just have to hit a button. To set the time or to set the minute or the hour, you're just going to press on that setting that you were working on. So for the clock, we're just going to hit the clock. If we want to change the alarm, we'll hit the first alarm right here. Then we can change it to, let's say, 12. We'll hit the clock, the alarm button again. Then we'll hit the alarm button again. You then get to choose what alarm sound that you want and the volume. You also have 15 different sound settings. Once you pick the setting that you want, you'll hear a little beep, and then you're good to go. To turn off the alarm, you'll just press it once, and it will also flag you for each alarm that you're using to what time it's set for. So this one's set to 7:30. I'll hit it again. Now it's on. Now it's off. For the alarm 1, it's on. For 12:44, now it's off. And then once again, if you just want to play the music, you can just hit the music button right here. Then you can crank it up to whatever volume that you want, and it gets really loud. But once again, if you're looking for an alarm clock that lights up, it can also charge your cell phone, I would definitely recommend checking this out. It's modern looking, doesn't take up a lot of space, it gets really loud, and it can also charge your cell phone at the same time. So I mean, it's pretty awesome. I've used this here in the living room with the baby a lot, and it works really, really well. So I would definitely recommend checking this out.